Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 27th, 2022. Yes, let's talk about yearn finance today. Let's talk about where price is going to go. I'm going to give you all a price prediction update into the market for yearn finance so that you and I can both be in position so that we can win in the cryptocurrency space. So if you guys want to join me, hop on board, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on our videos that we are creating daily on YouTube. So check this out. First of all, let me talk about what I was looking forward to into the market in yearn finance on my last video, which was on February the 26th, 2022. You guys can still see it. It is right here on my chart. So not only am I being fully transparent before price moves, I also come back and actually talk to you all about how can you all become more proficient at forecasting and predicting prices. Take a look at this. So I was looking for yearn finance to go up, right? Yeah, back in February the 26th. So here we are, March 27th. So it's been about a month of price action since I did the video, right? So look at this. I was telling you all back on February the 26th. Yeah, I was looking for the market to go up, but you guys can tell by the width of my price target areas, I really wasn't that bullish. I really wasn't looking for the price in yearn finance to go like to $30,000 or $40,000. I even drew a line on the chart to kind of show you where the sellers would prop up, where they would stand up at. And the sellers stood up right there around $22,700. Wow. Isn't that amazing? On February the 26th, I actually drew a line to show you where sellers can stand up. And they did right there on March the 3rd. Price since then in yearn finance has came down. It's amazing. So hopefully you was able to grab the bag right there, because that would have given you 9.5% profitability, because now yearn finance continues to trade sideways. So what I'm going to do, let me first of all show you this. And people try to give you this notion that you cannot predict prices, that you cannot know where prices are headed. But take a look at this. Like I said, I did this video in February, right? And I got two lines. You guys can see it down here at the bottom of this chart. One was acting as restriction. The other one was going to be acting as support. At some point, you have to believe what you see on the chart and nothing else. Price is telling you the truth at all times. Price is never trying to tell you any stories. It is always factual and truth. That is why I only focus in on the price and nothing else. Everything else is just someone's opinion. Price does not give you opinion. So it's not a coincidence that I got this arrow drawn right here on yearn finance around $18,000. I knew that the buyers would stand up price there, and they confirmed exactly that. I mean, look at this. Starting here on March the 6th, the 7th, even here on the 13th, the 14th, the 15th of March, the buyers stood up yearn's finance price. It's amazing. So if you understood, if you truly believe the price chart, you would have said that this is a buying opportunity, because the market is showing me that they're not trying to let price fall below $18,200. You got to believe the charts, believe the price. So now let's talk about what I think is going to happen next in yearn finance. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. Congratulations to you if you was able to get 9.5% out the market. This is what we're all about taking the bag. So congratulations to you. So first things first, you guys can tell since I did a video in February, the market in yearn finance really hasn't done too much. I mean, we've just been seeing the market bounce in between these two lines, right? So first things first, I make sure that I try not to confuse anyone on our team. If you're part of my community, I don't want to confuse you, because it shouldn't be confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of yearn's finance price, this horizontal line up here at the very top, because the market is definitely not trading there. So there's no need for me to keep this on the chart if it's not having an active role on price. So let's get back down to what we're seeing into the market in yearn finance, right? So check this out. What do you suspect the market is going to do now, right? We've already seen sellers stand up right there. So we got to keep that in mind. If we're going to look for yearn's finance price to increase, we got to keep our eyes open on the last point of rejection, which is right here on this top horizontal line. Keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and look at yearn.finance first on a weekly time frame. And here it is. You guys can tell this weekly price bar was the point that you could have said, yeah, the buyers are standing up the price. They're not trying to let the market fall anymore, because this should have been the result, right? Following all of this weakness in yearn.finance on the week of February the 28th, even here on March the 7th, the week of, price should have fell. Price should have broken $18,000 to the downside. But instead, last week, the market went up. So here we are this week. The market is still trending up higher, but albeit it is not that strong. Yes, the market is not that strong. The market is not massively bullish. I gotta keep it real with my constituents. It's not that strong. So keep that in mind as well too. So let's look at yearn.finance on a 2 weeks time frame. Here it is. We got 8 hours and 42 minutes left. And basically, I'm pretty much looking for the market to consolidate, possibly give us a little bit increase in price, but not a lot. No, not a lot. That 24,000, I would say $24,500 will be the next area that we can actually see the market in yearn.finance come to, right? So check this out. You guys can see how the buyers came in and kept price from falling below $18,000, right? You guys can see that. It's not a surprise because it even did the same thing back in December of last year, right? It even did it in November of last year. Wow, look at that. The market tells us a story. January of last year, the market came through and held support again. This is a very vital role for yearn.finance. Now, I want to give you all a heads up. I want to give you advance notice to be prepared. So under any price breakage below $18,000, you need to be massively bearish. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it a buck. I'm going to keep it 100. You need to be bearish if the price in yearn.finance ever collapses below $18,000, because the next level would be here, $12,500. And then the third area will be $8,125. Now, the good thing is that I don't see that on the chart yet. I still suspect that the market in yearn.finance has enough juice to at least go up a little bit higher. Now, I'm not going to be massively bullish. I want to be a voice of reason. I want to show you all the likelihood of where price is going to go before price switches direction. So real quick, I'm still going to look for the market in yearn.finance to come up here. Yeah, $22,700, $800, give or take. But that's the vicinity that I'm looking for the market in yearn.finance to go again before we still see some more market rejection or price come down. So yeah, be prepared to try to grab some profitability right there around that level. Second area, like I said, was going to be around 24,500. So it'll probably be like 24,000 to 24,700. That would be the second area. And that's about it. Yeah. Now looking at this from the monthly time frame, you kind of can see that this is reasons to not be massively bullish. So that's the two price targets that I'm looking forward to into the market in yearn.finance. Let me go ahead and show it to you all again. The first area is going to be like $22,500, $22,000. That's the first area. Second area is 24,000 to like 24,700. That's the vicinity, right? I'm not trying to give you all smack dab exactly the price number that market can go, but that's the area that you need to be in tune with. And I'm done. That's it. It's your turn. Let me know whether you all think the market in yearn.finance is going to go as we go throughout the month of April. Yeah, we're about to embark on a totally new month, and I know there's a lot of questions being strewn about in cryptocurrency, in global political arenas. All of this is placing doubts on people's minds. That is why I want you all to focus in on the price, because price doesn't care. It's going to tell you the truth. So let me know, what do you all think? Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.